My name is Elisabetta Ferretti and I am an associate professor at DanStem. The goal of my group is to uncover the mechanism to make cardiac and muscle cells starting from multipotent stem cells. Multipotent cells have the potential to become any kind of cells in the body, including neuron and gut cells. Imagine the multipotent cells as kids. They have in front all the possible career paths, and the molecular mechanisms are events, are stimuli, are options that make the kids become whatever they want, including a space shuttle pilot. Thus, if we identify these stimuli, we can use them. You can use them to make the cells changing their career and make them become cardiac or muscle cells. As a model, we use the mouse because we can engineerize it, change the stimuli, induce them or reduce them, and see the effect of the entire mouse. Ultimately, we can translate this knowledge to the human stem cell system.